Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, if you've been paying attention online over the past week, these vehicles have been rolling out to dealerships, and obviously I'm here in Metro Detroit, so we're among the first to get them, but I've seen them in Illinois and a couple other states as well. So here is a 2025 demo model, but you can see the headlamps, just how straight across the DRLs are. On the new model, they have this hockey stick design, and just like the older models, they do have, if you can tell, it's kind of impressed out, so it does give you a little thickness where the DRL is compared to, you can see here that it's kind of thin, but it does have a different shape to it. Same reflective LEDs, but the big difference is this fake scoop down here. Obviously, compared to this L model, you can see the difference. Another big thing you're going to notice the difference in is chrome. Chrome is gone on the Grand Cherokee. So Stellantis has been doing this whole death by chrome thing, and you can see that now everything is kind of the granite crystal color, so you will not see chrome anywhere on the new Grand Cherokee. And we can see a couple different finishes here. So when I talked about death by chrome, it depends on which model you get. So you can get a bright silver finish, but again, it's not chrome. It's not chrome at all. Dark finished on the dark models, chrome finished on, or not chrome, but silver finish on the rest of them. You can see just how much of a difference between the two there is. Also, if you look at the grille design is more prominent. It's got a lot more detail to it. Again, no chrome, but you can see compared to the mesh grille that we got last year, this one has a lot more detail to it. Same wheels and everything, not much has changed on this vehicle. The back, you can see some used ones here, but on the back there really isn't a whole lot of difference in these vehicles for 2026. The big difference though is this. If you look here on the window sticker, let me see if I can zoom out, 2-liter Hurricane4 turbocharged engine. So yes, the first of these 2026 models do feature the new 2-liter Hurricane4 engine. That gives you 324 horsepower. Now, I did a whole video about that engine on the channel. I actually got to go to Dundee to see it actually being built. Tons of high-tech, technology put in that engine. If you want to know more about that motor, go on the channel. But I cannot wait for Jeep to send me one of these. They haven't got them in their press pool yet, but I cannot wait to actually drive this thing. So you can see here, 2026, and it says Hurricane4, $53,000 for this limited reserve 4x4. And you can see the mileage, 21 in the city, 23 combined, 26 on the highway. So not bad considering you get 324 horsepower. Again, just little subtle differences between the finishes. If you're wondering what trim this is, this one is a limited as well, but this is just a standard limited. And this one comes in at $49,580. And that includes destination. So they're starting to arrive here. We got a couple of them here at the local dealer mixed in with some 2025s. So here's a black one, just like that other one. Hurricane4, of course. And this one stickers in at $48,750. This is a latitude altitude, so a little bit lower trim than the other ones. You can tell it's got the smaller wheels, but not much of a difference on the back. It's the actual front designs. Now, when we look inside, obviously they get the new Uconnect systems. The engine start button is now located in the center console instead of on the dash. And it does have new haptic buttons down below, but it does have physical buttons up top. So just small changes, but a big front end kind of change for the 2026 model year. So again, I can't wait to drive one of these things. It's going to be very fun to see how that 324 horsepower Hurricane4 acts, because that engine will ultimately replace the GME T4, which is in a lot of vehicles, including the Jeep Compass, the Wrangler. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get one to have for a week and actually put some miles on it. So again, you can see the difference, 2025, 2026. So let me know which ones you like better. I just wanted to tell you guys, they are coming in at the dealers right now. So make sure to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.